I be getting that money. I be getting them stacks. I be getting that money. I be getting them racks. I be getting that money. I be getting them stacks. I be getting that money. I be getting them racks. I be getting that money every day. By the dollar bill, I add it up. By the cents, then I get it for real. If it don't make a dime, then it don't make a dollar. If you're talking about that bullshit and don't even holler, I gotta get on my grind. I mean, get on my hustle. Every day I gotta get in the gym just like my muscle, and I ain't gon' flex. Cause I'ma do it, I'ma do my best. Everything you know, I'm at the top. Kia, yeah. Kung Fu, that shit. Kung Fu, Bruce Lee. Come back, read the remix. Every time I leave the house, come back with that bag. And I wear a belt on my hip, on my pants. I ain't got a sad. I still got it, and I add it up. Bank account, I'm talking about small amount to the big amount, and you can round it out. I make them figures transform like the acrobat in the Olympics. I ain't even tripping, yeah, they still be flipping. And I'll take a different trip around the world, and I still be sipping with my middle finger up. Yeah, I roll that blunder with that fire shit in the middle, then I fire it up, and I can't help, cause I get on racks every day. Damn. They say slow down cause you just move too fast. I say I'm motivated, ambition, gotta get that cash. And no need of being broke, you gotta put your hands on it. And if you ain't touching it, then you just frontin', talking all that out your mouth. I be about action. When I come back, you know I got that bag. I got it on my mind, I put it in my ad. Come back, and a matter of fact, I be getting that money. Yeah, I be getting that cash. I be getting them racks. I be getting that cash. I be getting them stacks. I be getting that cash. I be getting that money. I be getting that cash. Cash, cash, cash. That would pay them bills. Cash, cash, cash. Gotta have for real. Yeah. Hey. It's on my mind frame idea. And I'm like a magician, I just make it appear. Hold up with my magic one like abracadabra. I'm a math teacher cause I love mathematics. I just add it up and round it up and count it over. Mathematics, sometimes I multiply and then I ain't talking about division cause all I do